Hi everyone, this is an introductory video related to Google Classroom that I'm going to upload for you. If you're using your laptop for education purposes, then it is better that you can utilize this application, or you can install this application at your cell phone. In both cases, you will have this application. You will have an access to this application via your Gmail account. I'm going to open my Google Classroom, and whatever I have uploaded for you, I'm going to share it with you. So when you are going to attend the classes, when you are going to attend the lectures, ultimately you will be having an access to this class. So there are 4 classes. You can see the one that is for you is related to this communication skills, and most of you are already part of it, and those who are not part of it are advised to be part of it as early as possible. There are different streams, different tabs over there, but when you will be using your cell phone, then you will be getting these tabs. So here we are in Google Classroom. I have uploaded the material related to spring break, and you will have to read these lecture slides, and along with that there I have also added some video recorded lectures pertaining to each lecture slide. I would suggest you to first you should read these lecture slides and then watch the lecture, or you can do this both the things at the same time, because these lectures are integrated with these lecture slides, so you can attend in both ways. And after completing these two lectures, lecture 1, introduction to communication and components of communication, then you are required to complete this task that is related to your assignment. And that assignment is basically Flipgrid based assignment, where after listening to these two lectures, you have to click on this link, and automatically you will be having an access to Flipgrid application. I would suggest you to install Flipgrid application in your cell phone so that you can have an access to it. So once this application is open, as you are added there, you are added in the Google Classroom. Directly joining Google Classroom, ultimately you will be able to record a response. And once you have recorded the response, for example, I am doing it like here. So once you have recorded the response, so ultimately you will having two accesses, whether you are using Microsoft account or Google account. So you can directly click it and you can join with Google account. So when you will go to the Flipgrid, there you have to record your response. The questions will be there and you have to respond it. For example, I'm going to respond it from my other email account, as that account has been added in my Google Classroom being a student. So I'm recording it. You can see that here this is what we can use. So we can import all these things, introduction to communication. So we can, whether we can import the video, we can retry the camera. As of right now, I'm recording the video, so you won't be able to see it, see me recording it. So you can utilize it, and there at the background you can see introduction to communication, and there are questions. So you can write down those questions and answer those questions in a video recorded form. For boys, you have to make sure that your face is quite clear when you are recording your video, and for girls, I can give you give you one option that you can cover your face, you can cover your mouth as well as you need according to your own needs. All of you have to record the video. So once you have recorded the response, then you have to submit it. There will be an option for you that you have to submit that assignment, and ultimately I'll be getting the email information that you have submitted your assignment. So this is the task 1 that is done after reading these lecture slides and watching the lectures. Same is the case with these two topics, that you have to listen to the lecture slides, and along with that I have also provided recorded lectures, so you have to listen those lectures, and then again topic 3 also. And after completing these two topics, once again you have to answer the questions on Flipgrid. Same is the case, and At the beginning you will face some problems, whether your device is not compatible or certain issues, but once you are connected with Flipgrid, then ultimately during the entire semester you will be getting a lot of opportunities to learn a lot of things. So there are 3 tasks for you, and you have to complete these tasks before 26 March or on 26 March. So for every lecture, for every topic, I have shared the material also. You can read the lecture slides and watch the recorded lectures, and after that completion of that lecture you have to record your response. So these 3 tasks are for each one of you. These are 3 assignments that you have to done before 26 or on 26. So if you face any sort of problem related to any compatibility related to your Flipgrid or anything else, you can contact me. I'll be trying to facilitate you as much as possible. That's it.